The stock of NIO has clearly had a difficult year. Investor sentiment has been swayed by the continued chip supply constraint, as well as regulatory challenges in China, putting significant pressure on the price. Want to know more about it? Keep watching! Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be talking about NIO stock and everything you need to know about its growth. But before we start, do consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell to watch more of our exciting content. Let's get started. Since peaking at more than $66 early this year, NIO has dropped 40%. However, Goldman Sachs' upgraded forecast on the company, combined with NIO's better-than-expected third-quarter delivery numbers, may indicate that it is finally due for a turnaround. In recent weeks, NIO's stock has been on a slow but steady upward trend. It's up 7% since NIO reported third-quarter delivery figures earlier this month, and approximately 5% since Goldman Sachs upgraded the company from hold to buy, with a $56 price target a few days ago. The moderate upward trend is projected to continue, with new catalysts on the horizon in the short term. The imminent release of NIO's third-quarter earnings is expected to provide light on the company's progress with expansion goals, including more information on the launch timeframe for its new brand and product roadmap, as well as increase investor confidence in the company's financial prospects. NIO's annual keynote event at the end of the year, NIO Day, which typically walks through the new product and technology upgrades and launches, will almost certainly provide more information on the two new vehicles and separate lines launching in 2022, if not making the event their official launch, as the EV maker did for the ET7 at NIO Day 2020. The strong demand for electric vehicles in China continues to support NIO's long-term growth prospects. Since its launch in 2018, NIO has developed to become one of the most well-known electric vehicle brands in China's fast-growing market. Based on these factors, we continue to be bullish on NIO and retain our 12-month price objective of $59.74, which is similar to Goldman Sachs' recent recommendation. Given NIO's path to increase market share through its continued incursion into Europe and broad model pipeline, as well as an overall surge in global EV adoption, the company is well positioned for a return of a robust rally in both the near and long term. As a result, greater valuations are expected in the future, making the stock's current price levels a good starting point for investors. The ET7 is a full-size premium smart electric vehicle that competes directly with Tesla's Model S, Mercedes S-Class, Benz's and BMW's 7 Series. The ET7 is NIO's most costly vehicle model to date, outside of the EP9 supercar, with a starting price of 448,000 RMB or 378,000 RMB with a membership to BAAS, NIO's proprietary battery solution subscription service. The ET7 incorporates NIO Autonomous Driving, the EV maker's patented advanced driver assistance system, and is built on the NIO Technological Platform 2.0, a brand-new, higher-margin technology platform. NIO Aquila Supersensing and NIO Atom Superprocessing combine 33 high-performance sensors and high-resolution perception gear, such as 118-megapixel cameras and an ultra-long-range LiDAR, with sophisticated computing capability to offer a safe and smooth self-driving experience. In September, NIO's monthly supply volumes reached an all-time high. In the final month of the third quarter, the electric car manufacturer supplied 10,628 vehicles, increasing 125.7% year-over-year and 80.7% from August's slump owing to supply chain problems. In the third quarter, NIO delivered 24,439 vehicles, reflecting a year-over-year increase of 100.2%. The stunning results came back as a shock amid a global tightening of automotive chip supplies, especially after the EV maker revised their initial Q3 delivery guidance down from 23,000 to 25,000 vehicles to 22,500 to 23,500 vehicles in August, following a mid-quarter delivery volume disappointment due to chip supply constraints. Actual third-quarter deliveries exceeded the amended quarterly delivery guidance's upper range, as well as the previous quarterly delivery guidance's median. On September 30th, the first NIO House studio outside of Japan debuted in Oslo's Karl Johans Gate, a famous Main Street equivalent to Oxford Street in London. In addition, the region's first car deliveries have been completed and are included in the most recent September delivery numbers. NIO's decision to make Norway its first foreign location was a wise one, as the company seeks to extend its market share and take advantage of growth prospects in the broader European EV market. Norway's push towards electrification of its transportation industry has benefited greatly from favorable government policy support. By 2025, Norway wants all new automobile sales to be emission-free. To do this, the government has exempted electric vehicle purchases from sales taxes, while maintaining ownership expenses exceptionally low compared to ICEs, thanks to large discounts from ferries, public parking, and toll highways, as well as lower charging prices. Emission-free vehicles now account for more than half of annual car sales in Norway, with the Norwegian Automobile Federation estimating that by April 2022, the vehicle sector would account for 100% of new car sales, making Norway the first country to achieve mass-market EV adoption. Due to earlier arrivals like MG Motor and BYD, who pioneered demand in the region for other homegrown peers, the Norwegian market has become a great lover of Chinese EVs in recent years, emphasizing a bright sales forecast for NIO. The widespread acceptance of Chinese EVs in Norway also helps to raise NIO's brand awareness about Europe, which is crucial for the company's continued international expansion aspirations. In addition to expanding its presence in Norway, the electric vehicle manufacturer wants to launch in Germany in late 2022, followed by Amsterdam, to take advantage of the growing potential in Europe, which is presently the world's second-largest EV market. NIO's arrival into Germany coincides with Mobileye's anticipated debut in the region next year, boosting the EV maker's brand recognition in Europe. Mobileye is a self-driving vehicle technology business owned by Intel. NIO has an ongoing relationship with Mobileye to create and commercialize Level 4 autonomous driving, which will not require human intervention, as we highlighted in one of our previous pieces on the stock. Mobileye's future robotaxi fleet will be based at NIO. Mobileye will begin a robotaxis trial program in Tel Aviv and Munich next year using NIO's ES8 SUVs integrated with Mobileye Drive autonomous driving technology. According to Intel, the ES8 SUVs were deemed safer than Tesla's driver assistance system for hosting Mobileye's robotaxi fleet, since they were equipped with a suite of 11 cameras, all-around radar sensors, and 9 LiDARs. The complement, when combined with NAD's outstanding technological features outlined in the previous parts, solidifies NIO's path to the pinnacle of self-driving technology. The increased adoption of ADAS in recent years due to safety concerns highlights a high-growth industry with an estimated value of about $60 billion by 2025. NIO is well-positioned to take advantage of the opportunity because its autonomous driving capabilities are among the safest and most advanced in the market. While the second quarter earnings release left investors begging for more details after revealing limited but surprising details about the upcoming launch of 2 new NIO vehicles and a brand new sister brand in 2022 to better penetrate the mass market, the third quarter earnings release is likely to provide more detail to alleviate the suspense. NIO Day 2021, which will take place at the end of the year, is another widely awaited event. The specific date for the keynote event has not yet been announced. However, it is projected to take place between December 1st and January 15th, 2022, based on previous year's trends. Many believe the EV company will unveil the 2 new vehicles announced in Q2 at the upcoming keynote event in Suzhou, similar to how it did with the ET7 at NIO Day 2020 in Chengdu. The debut of the ET7 during NIO Day 2020 last year propelled NIO's stock price to an all-time high of over $66, up about 20% from the previous trading day's low. With that, we are at the end of the video. If you found it interesting, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting videos. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. See you again with another exciting video. Until then, bye!